delicious meals with your new air fryer? We'll help you get started. First, remove all packaging and any temporary tape from the air fryer.
Wash the basket and crisper plate in the dishwasher.
Now that all your packaging and temporary tape has been removed, we're going to take it for a quick test run. Preheat your air fryer by pressing the preheat button and then adjust your temperature and time using the plus/minus keys. Then press start pause. When preheating is done, your air fryer will beep 3 times. Now you can place your food into the basket. Select the cooking function that works best for your meal by pressing the button once. After choosing a cooking function, you can adjust the temperature and time if desired. You can also add a shake reminder by pressing the shake button. This will create a beep reminder and let you know when to shake or flip your food halfway through cooking. After your meal is done, cleanup is just as simple. Unplug your air fryer and let it cool completely.
Wash the basket and crisper plate in the dishwasher or with hot soapy water and a non-abrasive sponge. If needed, wipe the outside of the air fryer with a moist cloth. Now you're ready to enjoy meal after meal in your air fryer.
After you finish cooking with your COSORI Pro LE air fryer, cleaning up just takes a few simple steps. Before cleaning, always turn off and unplug the air fryer and let it cool completely. Wipe the outside of the air fryer with a damp cloth. Wash the basket and crisper plate with hot soapy water and a non-abrasive sponge. Alternatively, place the basket and crisper plate in the dishwasher. Clean the inside of the air fryer with a slightly damp, non-abrasive sponge or cloth. If necessary, clean the heating coil to remove food debris. Make sure all parts of the air fryer, including the heating coils, are completely dry before using. To tackle stubborn grease, mix 2 parts baking soda with 1 part water to make a paste. Use a non-abrasive sponge to spread the paste on the basket and crisper plate and scrub. Let sit for 15 minutes before rinsing. Wash the basket and crisper plate with soap and water before using. Now your COSORI Pro LE 5-quart air fryer is completely clean and ready to make more delicious meals.